In this video, I'll show you how to install and use the RZL trainer menu mod in GTA San Andreas. Check my video description for this mod link. Once download done, right click on this cleo and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Before doing this mod, backup your San Andreas folder, copy and paste it in the same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder. Turn up all these files inside of a game folder, replace the file in the destination, and then go back, open this RZL trainer, open cleo, and drop these files inside the cleo folder, and now go back and open the .exe rar, open the exe, and drop these inside. Right click on the 14,000 KB exe and select show more, send it to desktop, create shortcut, launch the game through the newly created shortcut. Once you are in game, press the F2 to open up this trainer and turn on the num lock and use the 2 and 8 key in the numpad to choose options. To select option, use 5 key in the numpad. Select English. To test this trainer working or not, go to vehicle spawning, cars, select the car you like. To go back in this menu, press the 0 key in the numpad. Again, press the 0. To close this horizontal trainer, press the F2 and the trainer is working fine. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.